Hello builders, today we are going to see how we can output a very small APK size when we build our app. This is the same for also if you want to build an ABB, which is an app bundle for Google Play. So come to your build.colorado file for your module app. Then what you have to do is to set up the minify. So here on the build types, here you see minify enabled, and then it is set to false. So this means this app cannot be compressed, also resources cannot be compressed. So if you want to compress resources and also compress your code and also obfuscate code, so that if anyone wants to reverse engineer your app, the code will not be easily readable, you just have to set minify enabled to true, and also shrink resources to true. Shrink sources true. That is it. After that, you just have to sync your project. After sync is complete, now you can go ahead and build your app. So see, there's an error here. I see that shrink resources is not found. Let me check if this is the actual name. Okay, I see I made a typo. Yeah, this should be C, not S. We build again. Okay, and that is it. So you have successfully set up your project to shrink the APK and ABB for the release build. In case you want to do the same for the debug build, you just have to create a debug object here, then put in the rules that you want. So you can use the same rules or any other ProGuard rules you may want to use. So that's it for this video. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing.